In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use the Now VPN. So this is a review of the app. So it's available on Google Play Store for Android users. And I don't know for iOS, you can check that out. Yeah. So this is how the interface looks like. When you just download the app, you just wait for the app to configure itself. It's very, very simple. You don't need to do anything. And there's the interface. You can see my current location. You tap on the connect to connect. You tap on the remove ads to upgrade yourself. So you remove the ads. And now you see optimal server. That's where you get access to the servers. That's the locations you want to connect to. They have free, they have couple free ones, and they have pro versions too. You can see these are all premium. Good. And they have some nice countries for the free too. They have Portsmouth for the UK, Seattle, St. Louis and all. They have a Canadian location. They have Düsseldorf in Germany, and this is also French, Canada. Good. So you can tap on this here to upgrade yourself if you want a pro version. Yeah. So the upgrade is going to convert the currency or the cost to your currency. Nothing special. You don't need to worry. And when you connect, you're going to see your speed, your data usage, and all that here. So this you see here, that's what it's going to do. So when I tap on the connect, you should see that. I need to allow that on the phone. Detecting blah blah blah. Good. And you can see the info start popping. So to disconnect, you just tap on that. Nothing difficult. And then after that, you get your connection. I mean your last connection data or statistics, in how you call it here, your IP address and everything. So now let's tap on the hamburger menu. It's no hamburger menu, but then you can see it there at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on that there to get access to the app settings. You can tap on sign in, and then you create an account from there. So we don't have an account, so we tap on sign up. Enter your email verification code, enter your password. You have an account. Good. So now let's come back, tap on that again, top left corner of your screen, and then you can change the theme to dark. Let's switch it once again to light. Switch it once again to light so you guys can see the interface well. Good. So you can share it to your friend. I don't know whether I'm going to give you something, but then you can share it to your friends here. Also, you can also do some 1, 2, 3 settings, which is the app proxy. So tap on that. Good. And you can, turn on VPN when I'm using couple apps like the split tunneling. So that's it on Now VPN. I think I've talked about everything. It's very simple. You can use it without an account and also with an account. But if you want to upgrade and stop watching ads, you need to, upgrade yourself. So that's it. I have a lot of tutorials and reviews on couple VPNs. You can check them out. If you are new here, just give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.